Now, ta-te-ti-to-tu.
Ta-te-ti-to-tu.
No, Miss Lamont. Round tones, round tones. Now let me hear you read your line.
And I can't stand him.
And I can't stand him.
And I can't stand him.
Can't.
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 Can't. Can't.
Very good. Now, around the rocks, the rugged rascal ran.
Around the rocks, the rugged...
No, rocks. Rocks.
Around the rocks, the rugged rascal ran.
Very good.
Oh, hi, Don.
Shall I continue?
No, go ahead. Don't mind me.
Now, sinful Caesar sipped his snifter, seized his knees, and sneezed.
Sinful Caesar snipped his
Soda.
snifter.
Sipped his snifter.
Sipped his snifter.
Oh, thank you. Sinful Caesar sipped his snifter, seized his knees, and sneezed.
Marvelous.
Marvelous.
Oh, here is a good one. Chester chooses chestnuts, cheddar cheese with chewy chives. He chews them and he chooses them. He chooses them and he chews them. Those chestnuts, cheddar cheese, and chives in cheery, charming chunks.
Oh, wonderful. Do another one.
Oh, thank you. Moses supposes his toes are roses. But Moses supposes erroneously. Moses, he knows his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously.
But Moses, he knows his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. A Mose is a Mose.
A rose is a rose.
A toes is a toes. Hoop-de-doodle-doodle. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. For Moses, he knows his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be. Moses, his toes are roses. Moses erroneously. My Moses, his toes are roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be. Moses, a rose is a rose is a rose is a rose is what Moses supposes his toes is. Couldn't be a lily or a tappy dilly. It's gotta be a rose, cause it rhymes with Mose. Moses. go. Quiet.